Well, hello. About the IV nutrition program that Active Medical Center provides. Now, as a legal disclaimer, this information is not intended to diagnose, treat, or prevent any medical condition. Please consult with your physician before beginning any IV nutrition regimen. Now that we're past that, I'm going to go through all the nuts and bolts of what IV nutrition is, what we offer, and how you can benefit from it. So what is IV nutrition? Well, it's essential vitamins and minerals that are administered in a liquid form through an intravenous injection. Now, the reason that this is more advantageous than taking traditional supplementation and why it's so good to use in conjunction with traditional supplementation is that these vitamins are 100% bioavailable. So you're actually going to absorb them about 50 times more than oral supplementation or even medication. Now, another unique factor about this is that we can target it toward whatever your health goals are and whatever your current health status may be. We can help make recommendations to help you achieve your goals. Now, who can benefit from IV nutrition? Well, essentially everybody. We work with anybody who's 18 years of age or older, or if they're a little bit younger than that with parental consent, we can also work with them. Now, it's perfect if you're somebody who's tired or you have a lot of life or work stress. And we all really do have stress, and it can really deplete a lot of our nutritional status. And so IV nutrition is such a wonderful way to help you deal and cope with daily stress. If you also have some weight loss goals, IV nutrition is a wonderful thing to do to help boost your metabolism, get all the vitamins and nutrients that you need into your diet while you're achieving your weight loss goals. If you ever need an immune boost, if you're going to be traveling or if we're going into the cold or flu season, our Immune Boost IV is perfect for that. If you have a lot of exercise in your life and you are achieving certain goals as far as competitions, getting one of our energy boosting IVs is perfect for before and after, along with the fact that all of the IVs that we do are incredibly hydrating. So anybody who's got some dehydration issues, this is a wonderful thing to do to help stay hydrated. It's really, at the end of the day, a great addition to any healthy lifestyle. Now, the different menu options that we have evolved over time. We have really been very careful about selecting wonderful manufacturers who have gone through all the FDA clearance to make sure that everything that we do is FDA approved. It's been tested. It's 1,000% safe. And so we're really proud of the different options that we have available for our patients. The first one is a general immune boost. And so again, that's helping to boost the immune system. The next one is get out of pain. And that is exactly what it says it is. It's targeted for people that have inflammation and want to help reduce their overall pain load. The next one we have is Fountain of Youth, and that is to help boost all of the nutrients in your body that help to keep you feeling and looking young. The next one is Diet and Detox, and that is to help with anybody who has weight loss goals or needs an appropriate detox after certain life choices that maybe a detox would be a good thing to do. And then we also have what's called our Energy Boost to help you stay energetic and vibrant during the day. And then something that we're very proud of is we also offer customized menu options. So what that means is if you've ever had any micronutrient testing done, which is blood work that shows exactly what your body has enough of from a nutrition standpoint, vitamin standpoint, antioxidant standpoint, mineral standpoint, what does your body have enough of and what does it really need the most of? And then we can customize the different amounts of different ingredients that we're using for your individual IV. And that is something really unique to our industry, that you can come in with your blood work and we can customize your IV nutrition for you. Now, if you don't have any testing like that done, we can help you with that. We work with a company that will provide that information for you at the cost of $350. So we can actually do your blood draw in our office and then get your results in about 2 weeks and start your IV nutrition. So first is get out of pain. And this is my lovely husband doing his IV nutrition. And so the get out of pain is used to help reduce chronic and acute inflammation, fatigue, help muscle aches, help with stress, depression, headaches, a weakened immune system, allergies, difficulty in concentrating, and of course, any issues with hydration. So it contains vitamin C, methylated B vitamin complex, selenium, zinc, manganese, and copper. And when it comes to pain, having the appropriate amount of minerals in your body is so important, which is why those minerals that I just said, the zinc, manganese, and copper, have been chosen very carefully. The cost to do one get out of pain treatment is $67. Now, this is the Fountain of Youth, and this is me getting that IV, and this is my personal favorite. The reason that I love it is because it has glutathione in it, and glutathione is our master antioxidant in your body. It's the only one of our IVs that does have glutathione. However, we can always add it to any additional IV. So glutathione, again, is your master antioxidant, which helps your body do everything from functioning from an immune standpoint, from helping to fight cancer. This master antioxidant is so important to have enough of in your body. And it's also something that we can test your status of in the micronutrient testing if you'd like to do that. Now, there are also other things like collagen builders that help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, suppress formation of acne and blemishes, and produce collagen to enhance your skin's elasticity, and not just your skin, but also all the blood vessels in your body. So it's really great for heart health. So this contains glutathione, glutamine, which actually helps your body produce glutathione on its own, citrulline, vitamin C, methylated B12, a B complex, magnesium, calcium, lysine, proline, selenium, zinc, ornithine, arginine, and copper. And this comes in at a price point of $110. This is the most expensive one we have, but you can tell this actually has a lot in it. So you're getting your biggest bang for your buck. And again, it's the glutathione that really does put it at that price point. So the rest of our IV nutrition is a little bit lower price point because it doesn't contain glutathione. So just keep that in mind. Now, the next one is our diet and detox, and this is for anybody who's looking to detox vital organs, boost their metabolism and energy, eliminate excess body fat, and also to help reduce hunger cravings. So this is the one that we use with our overall weight loss programs that are medically supervised at our office. This is the IV that's included weekly during that program. So this contains vitamin C, methylated B12, a B complex overall, magnesium, calcium, manganese, zinc, ornithine, arginine, copper, carnitine, which is the big metabolism booster, selenium, glutamine, and zinc. And this comes in at a price point of $86. The next one we have is our overall immune boost. So this is to help anybody who might be traveling coming up. So for example, my husband and I are getting ready to go overseas. This is something that we've been doing for a while now just to help build up our immunity. So you're battling against the cold and flu season. You're going to help reduce fatigue and your chance of actually getting viral infections, muscle aches, stress, depression, headaches, a weakened immune system. If you have any allergies, muscle aches, fatigue, difficulty in concentrating, poor food and nutrition choices. And yes, I said muscle aches twice because that's how well this combats muscle aches. Now, this contains vitamin C, a general B complex, and zinc chloride. And so it's really the zinc and the vitamin C that are going to really help target that immune boost. And so this comes in at a price point of $55. And next we have our energy boost. Now this is a general way to help reduce fatigue, exhaustion, and especially jet lag. So when we come back from our travels, my husband and I will absolutely be getting our energy boost. And pictured in this picture, you can actually see Liz with her 2 thumbs up. That is our nurse practitioner, and she's the one that actually administers all the IVs. And she's great at it. You know, this, along with all of her joint injections and trigger points, is what she does all day long. So I can tell you the actual procedure itself is relatively painless and very comfortable, and she is very professional about everything that she does. Now, this energy boost contains methylated B vitamin complex, and that's where you're getting anything that says methylated. That means that it's in a really absorbable form for your body, and that's really what's giving you that big energy boost. Now, if you notice, that's also a component of the majority of our IVs, and so you're getting this energy boost with the rest of the IVs. Now, but this one is provided at a lower price point because that's really all it's targeting is that energy, along with vitamin C, glutamine, arginine, ornithine, and lysine. So this price point of $50 is because it contains fewer ingredients, but it's targeted specifically for that energy boost. Now, last but not least, we also have our customized IV nutrition. So you bring in your blood work on your first appointment, we'll assess it, and it doesn't have to be the micronutrient. It can be any form of blood work that you've had done in the last 6 months, and we'll help you with making recommendations on what we think your body really needs. But a general protocol for all of the IV nutrition that we do is we will typically have people start off at about once a week for their IVs, and then eventually we'll drop you down to about once a month. So for me, I'll be getting IV nutrition for once a month for as long as I possibly can, just to help keep my status up. And then we also recommend that you eventually do post-test your micronutrient status so you can see improvements. So what to expect at your first IV nutrition appointment. We're going to have you fill out a quick questionnaire, and we'll do a brief exam with our nurse practitioner, Liz, to discuss what your goals are and what your health history has been. Now, if you've had any blood work in the last 6 months, please bring it in with you. If you don't have it on hand, you can actually call your medical provider or wherever you had your blood work done and just ask them to fax it to us at 847-836-5209. And then that way we'll have it ready at your first appointment. We can also run any micronutrient testing on your first appointment as well if you're interested in having that tested. So based on your health goals and your current health status, our medical team will make that recommendation for you for what they think is going to benefit you the best. If your health status allows, we'll actually perform IV nutrition at your very first appointment, and most people do. We're also going to allow for about an hour for that appointment, and then 30 to 45 minutes for any follow-up appointments. The IV itself takes that 30 to 45 minutes, and it's totally dependent on your body about how fast you absorb that IV nutrition. Now, treatments are generally performed by our nurse practitioner, and like I said, they're generally very painless. She's a pro because she does this so often. She does it every day. Now, we also offer a membership where if people know that they want to continue to get IV nutrition month after month, it's just a $25 fee per month, and it can stop at any time. So you can start and stop at any time. There's no contracts or anything like that. So you can start and stop at any time, but you're getting 25% off all of the IVs that you get that month. So it's actually beneficial. It's going to help you save money even if you're only doing one IV per month. But if you're doing one a week, especially in your initial protocol, you're actually going to get at least one of those depending on what you choose for free. Now, the amount of IV nutrition you need is determined at your initial appointment, and it's based on your health history and your goals. Our typical recommendations are anywhere from 1 treatment to weekly treatments for 6 weeks. And again, we'll help you determine that. Now, a few testimonials on what people have been telling us about their IV nutrition experience. So this is Eric, and he said, I pushed myself too hard at the gym and I felt like a soreness I've never had before. And I will tell you that IV brought me immediate relief and I was ready to go after another workout. Robert told us, between work and family, I barely have time to take care of myself. As long as I do IV nutrition, I've got the energy to tackle every day. Janine said, words can't express how amazing I feel right now. I left work early in tears, feeling so sick and dizzy, and within seconds of my IV, the nausea went away. This has been life-changing. Now, my personal testimonial is my blood work shows that I'm sensitive to electromagnetic pollution or EMFs. I talk a lot about that. And my body doesn't produce collagen like it normally should. So the Rejuvenation, which is now the Fountain of Youth blend, is perfect to give me that protective antioxidant boost and increase my natural collagen production. I simply love it. It's my anti-aging secret. And then my husband says the amount of mental clarity he gets after one treatment is just amazing. He said he's not the biggest fan of needles, but Liz does such an amazing job, I barely feel the IV insertion. And I'll speak to that because the IV itself, when she's inserting the IV, you'll feel a little pinch. But after that, there's no needle in your arm. It's just a small catheter. So it's a very comfortable experience. Honestly, the thing that's maybe a little tender is taking the tape off after your IV. That's really all you're going to really need to expect as far as that goes. So now you've made it to the end of this presentation, and I reward people when they make it to the end because you're action takers. So when you mention the word congratulations, whenever you have your first appointment, you'll get 10% off whatever IV you choose that day. Now, if you have any questions, You're going to email info@activemedicalcenter.com, and they'll answer any questions you have, or they can even get you scheduled for your appointment. You can also book online at activemedicalcenter.com. And when you book, just say you're booking for IV nutrition, and we'll make sure to keep that time aside for you. You can do any IV Monday through Thursday. So again, mention congratulations, and you'll get 10% off on your first appointment. Thank you so much, and we look forward to meeting with you soon.